Welcome to Little Paws of Iowa. Today we're going to be going over Duchess and Cooper's litter of F1 mini Bernedoodles. In this video we'll go over their coats, their size, and hopefully you'll be able to see a little more of their personalities before choosing your puppy, especially if you're not able to come out and visit and see them in person. These puppies were born on May 21 and will be 8 weeks old and ready for homes on July 15. We expect these puppies to weigh between 35 and 50 pounds when they're full grown. Right now they're all fairly similar in size, but we'll point out the largest ones and the smallest ones. We'll also put their current individual weights by their updated 5-week pictures on the website too. There were 8 puppies in this litter, 4 males and 4 females. We'll start with the males and then go through the females. Here in the brown collar is our first male, Dexter. He has a tricolor coat and is one of the larger puppies in this litter. Right now he seems pretty active and outgoing. Next in the gray collar is our second male, Diesel. He has a beautiful tricolor coat as well, and he is the largest puppy of this litter. Here in the green collar is our third male, Duke. He is the very smallest puppy in this litter and has a beautifully marked tricolor coat. Right now he seems more on the calm side, but that can always change. Here in the red collar is our last male, Dusty. He is very similar in size to Dexter and has a beautifully marked tricolor coat. We just woke him up from his nap, so he's a little sleepy yet. Now for the females. Here in the pink collar is our first female, Daisy. She is fairly average size for this litter and has a beautiful tricolor coat. Here in the floral collar is our second female, Daphne. She has a tricolor coat as well and is on the average side of this litter too. She is pretty similar in size to Daisy. She seems quite playful and energetic. Here in the leopard collar is our third female, Dawn. She has a tricolor coat and is the smallest of the females, just a tiny bit larger than the smallest male, Duke. And lastly, in the yellow collar, is our fourth female, Dixie. She has a tricolor coat and is very similar in size to both Daisy and Daphne. She just woke up from a nap too, so she's a little sleepy yet. And that is Duchess and Cooper's litter of F1 mini Bernedoodles. You can go to our website, littlepawsiowa.com, for more information. Be sure to check out their updated 5-week pictures too. Again, they will be 8 weeks old and ready for homes on July 15.